Hi Kieran, in this video I'm going to demo the implementation of my Lifeguard Web App. The use case I'm going to demo is the Get All Reports use case. No changes have been made to the design from part 1 of this assignment. I'm going to start at the front end and work towards the back end. So starting at the front end, I'll start with the reports.jsp page. So the lifeguard will end up on the reports.jsp page as soon as they log in. And we'll notice here in reports.jsp that we have a form which posts off a request which is get all reports to the front controller. So moving on to the front controller cast, so you'll notice in the process request method of the front controller we store the request in a string called action. Now scrolling down past this bit of error checking here, we'll notice that we go off and we instantiate a command factory object and declare a command. So then we'll notice that the command factory goes off and creates a command based on our request. So in this case that'll be the get all reports request. So if we jump into our get all reports command, you'll notice that it goes off and instantiates a report service object, which will in turn instantiate a report DAO object, which will return to us all the reports in the database. So I suppose we better look at the report DAO. So we can see here in the report DAO that we declare a list of reports, and the query we send off is select star from the report table, so that will return all the reports to us. And should all that pass the error checking, it will return the reports to the report service. Now it should be noted the reports here could be null, which would indicate there were no reports in the database. So once the report service has retrieved all the reports from the DAO, it will return the reports to the get all commands object. So we're here now. So list all reports equals report service get all reports, which will then go off and store the reports in the session attribute reports, and then it will set our forward to JSP string to reports.jsp, which will return us to the front controller, which will then forward to page, well, it'll be forward to the page to our reports page, which will then go off and display all the reports. So to show this working, if I just scroll down here, go to login.html, if I say run on server. So if we log in, Smith J, tab, password, log in, and if we ask for all reports, there's all the reports in the database. So thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Best of luck. Goodbye.